Realme has officially launched its most powerful Narzo smartphone, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G, powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 920 processor. So today, let's unbox the same and take a first look at the latest and the most powerful Narzo smartphone to date. So without wasting any further time, let's do the same. We have the retail package of the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 920 5G processor. The smartphone offers up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone comes in multiple color variants, and today we are testing the Hyper Blue variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As you can see, the box also comes with a typical Realme Narzo style in the blue color, and on the box we also get some of the features and specifications of the Realme Narzo 5G smartphone, which is also the most powerful Narzo smartphone to date. As I have mentioned before, the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone is powered by the Dimensity 920 5G processor. Again, at this pricing, this is one of the best processor that you can get on an Android smartphone. When you open the box, the very first thing you will get is a cardboard box which has a couple of accessories like a case, a couple of warranty information booklet, SIM ejector pin and other additional things. Then in the box, you will get the smartphone itself, which is covered in a plastic wrap, and the smartphone also has a triple camera setup at the back, and then you have a 33-watt fast charger in the box with a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable to fast charge and data sync the smartphone. Now let us look at the actual smartphone itself. As I mentioned before, we have the Hyper Blue variant of the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone, and the back panel and the frame of the smartphone is made using plastic. At the back, we have a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. And on the front, we also have a selfie camera within the punch hole display. The smartphone uses a Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now let us set up the actual smartphone and have a look at the first impression of the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 920 processor. Again, make sure that when you are setting up the device, select all the right things, otherwise you might end up with a lot of bloatware on the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone. And even while setting up the smartphone, you can actually set up the in-display fingerprint sensor, which is actually quite fast. Do note that there is a plastic screen protector applied on the smartphone. You might able to remove it if you wanted to, especially if you want to feel the smooth screen available on the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone. I have set up the Realme Narzo 55 smartphone. This is how the whole UI looks. The smartphone runs on Android 12 operating system with Realme UI 3 skin on top, and it has a couple of bloatwares. However, you can uninstall most of them without any issue. As I have mentioned before, the device has a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera, with a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. This has been the first impression and unboxing of the Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone. For more into our future videos to get to know more about the latest Realme smartphone that is powered by the Dimensity 920 5G processor. For more unboxing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get a notification when we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.